Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive emails into your To Mail. I hope you know that To is now To Mail after the rebranding. So, with this information, let's begin the video. In order to archive your mails into To Mail, you just simply have to open your To Mail application. Now, after opening the application, if you saved your login information, your account will automatically be logged in. After coming into here, you can select the folders from here where you have the email that you want to archive. And after coming into the folder where you have the emails that you want to archive, you just simply have to select the mails from here. After selecting the mails, just simply click into this files icon here. In order to move the email into archive, click into that button. Now, you will get so many options to move. You just simply have to select this archive option here. And after selecting that, your email will successfully be moved into archive. By following these very easy steps, you can also archive any of your emails into To Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.